Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is very important because today we are going to talk about all those open board students जिन्होंने NIOS से किया है कि which college, which company they can join and how to prepare. Let's just start. So आप class 12 student हैं, पढ़ाई करते थे, शायद इतना interest नहीं लिया, I do not know, and then you went for open board exams. Copied. I'm not talking about improvement. Improvement के लिए there is a separate video, but still putting it across. सपोज कर वाई डू पीपल गो फॉर ओपन बोर्ड एग्जाम सीबीएसई बोर्ड में नंबर कम आए दे स्विच बोर्ड वेंट फॉर ओपन बोर्ड बट व्हेन एवर आई टॉक अबाउट ओपन बोर्ड यू हैव टू गिव ऑल द एग्जाम्स फॉर ओपन बोर्ड नॉट जस्ट वन एग्जाम कि आधा करा है फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री फ्रॉम सीबीएसई बोर्ड एंड मैथ्स इज फ्रॉम ओपन बोर्ड डज नॉट हैपन दैट वे ऑल फॉर फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश शुड बी फ्रॉम ओपन बोर्ड ओवर हियर कॉपी दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू नो so after open board you can join merchant after class 12 you can either go for DNS you can go for BSc nautical science and you can go for BTech marine engineering. When I talk about BSc nautical science and BTech marine engineering, I'm talking about shipping colleges where you can join. When I talk about DNS, I'm talking about sponsorship of the company that you need. It is not about college over here. It is about the shipping company that matters. So without wasting any time, let's just start. So over here, you will see in the first 2 to 3 pages, you will see the shipping companies and then you will see shipping colleges also. When I talk about shipping companies, say fleet management, and there is a crossover here. That means open board students. They do not prefer for DNS sponsorship. But for BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, there is a tick mark because suppose fleet management will go to some college, say Tolani or MERI Kolkata or MERI Mumbai for BSc Nautical Science or BTech Marine Engineering. Suppose if Tolani or you have joined, even if you are open board, suppose they take you, or you have joined MERI Kolkata, you are open board, but they have taken you. Now, once you have joined, you perform really well over there. And when in campus placement after 2 to 3 years fleet management comes over there, they will check you on the knowledge that you have gained in those 2 to 3 years. They will check you on what all achievements you have made in the college, how good your communication skills is. So over here it is completely different from DNS out here. Copied. So if it is a tick over here, it is basically dependent upon the college that you have joined. If that shipping college takes open board students, that means you have joined, and if in that shipping college these companies comes, very good, so then they will take you. Copy it. So let's just start. So fleet management, open board DNS, no. Chevron does not take DNS students at all. This means does not take at all. Dock and Dale does not take DNS sponsorship. Dock and Dale does not take open board students for DNS sponsorship. Bernard Schulte management does not take open board students for DNS sponsorship. NYK does not take DNS students at all. Anglo Eastern does not take open board students for DNS sponsorship. Copied. All these shipping companies, if they go to a shipping college for BTech Marine Engineering campus placement or BSc Nautical Science campus placement, then they are not bothered whether you are from open board or improvement. What they are bothered is कितनी percentage है college में, what are the achievements, क्या क्या आता है यहाँ पे, that's what matters. Copied. Next. So again talking about Tom Tankers, open board student DNS, no. MSI open board student DNS, no. MSc open board student DNS, yes. Andromeda does not take DNS students. Executive Ship Management, again through Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, does not take open board students. Scorpio does not take open board students. Again, all these shipping companies either take you, can you see over here? Again, depends on shipping college where they are taking. Either they are not taking at all, like BSc Nautical Science they are not taking, or there is a specific cross on Executive Ship Management because Executive Ship Management have got their own college, which is Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies. So Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, after class 12 with IMSCT, you apply over there. So if you are an open board student, they do not take you, whether for DNS or for BTech Marine Engineering. So that is why there is a crossover here. Now, for again example, Scorpio does not take you for DNS sponsorship, but again if it comes for campus placement to say Tolani or TS Chanakya or to MERI Mumbai or MERI Kolkata or Tolani again for BTech Marine Engineering, they will take you over here. Copied. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Great Eastern for DNS sponsorship does not take open board students. They do not have BSc Nautical Science, BTech Marine Engineering. They have got their own GME college over here. Same for SCI as well. Don't have BSc Nautical Science, own college for GME, so do not take BTech Marine Engineering. But Great Eastern does not take open board students for DNS. SCI takes open board students for DNS. Copied. Maersk, Stena, EW, EPS, these are big shipping companies. They do not take DNS students at all with giving their sponsorship. Again, all these shipping companies, they go to good colleges in our country, and if they go over there, if you are in that college, whether from open board or improvement, they will take you depending upon your campus result. Copied. Let's move ahead. MOL, NYK, big huge shipping companies, even K Lines, not mentioned over here. Big huge shipping companies, they do not prefer DNS, so no DNS. Chelaram, no DNS. Shell, big huge shipping company, no DNS. PIL, huge shipping company, no DNS. But apart from Williamson, all these 5 shipping companies, they go to big colleges and they take BSc Nautical Science campus placement, BTech Marine Engineering campus placement. So if you are studying in those colleges, if you have got selected, then all that matters is how good you have performed in those colleges in those 3 or 4 years. Williamson does not take open board students for DNS sponsorship. But again, for BSc and BTech Marine Engineering, Jai Mata, it's the college that matters. Synergy takes DNS sponsorship students with Amet University. BSc Nautical Science, BTech, same like campus placement. Goodwood, Maersk Line, V-Ships and Amet. Now, there was a time when Goodwood was taking DNS sponsorship students. Our one student from JMD Academy has joined Goodwood. But as of now, they are not taking anymore. So, I guess Goodwood is again preferring BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine students depending upon campus placement. Maersk Line, no DNS, again giving sponsorship for BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering for Amet University. V-Ships, no DNS sponsorship, but as of now for BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, they like Maersk have also tied up with Amet, copied, and Amet has also got DNS tie up with Synergy as well. So Maersk Line, V-Ships tie up for this, Synergy tie up for this only, copied. Again, this is as of now in April 2023. Aage it will be all dynamic situation which we will be sharing. TS Rahman, DNS. No, now this is a college, right? Now again, chalo, let's talk about college. First, I'll talk about Amet University. Amet University, DNS mein it is only with Synergy. So if Synergy is taking, Amet is yes over here. I will put a yes because it is all dependent on Synergy over here. Copied like this. But again, Amet again for BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering, it is a yes. Copied. Now coming back to TS Rahman. TS Rahman, it is a college. So again, what all shipping companies, is Scorpio is coming over there. Is Scorpio taking sponsorship students for open board? No. That means it is a no. Is XYZ shipping company coming over there? Say Tom Tankers coming. Whereas it is not going to Tolani, just TS Rahman. Just an example. Tom goes to Tolani. But still putting an example, say Tom Tankers. Does it take open board students? No. Is it coming to TS Rahman? Yes. Will TS Rahman take you? No. Only in one situation TS Rahman or any other college can take you. Say you have got IMUCT rank certificate. You are from open board, but you have got sponsorship with the help of reference or somewhere you have got it. Then it is a chance. Otherwise, Jai Mata Di. Copied. Again, TS Rahman BSc Nautical Science spacebar. TS Rahman BTech Marine Engineering spacebar. This course does not exist in the college. MERI Kolkata DNS no. BSc Nautical Science no. Only BTech Marine Engineering campus placement. Jai Mata Di. Go ahead. MERI Mumbai DNS no. BSc Nautical Science no. Only BTech Marine Engineering, open board student does not matter, get a very good rank in IMUCT, go ahead. Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies does not take open board students for DNS, does not take open board students for BTech Marine Engineering as well, does not have BSc Nautical Science. One college that is remaining is Tolani over here. Tolani is all concerned with their TMI SAT. For DNS, it is a no, again depending upon the shipping company coming over here. Say if some shipping company comes up with sponsorship which says, Tolani, I am not concerned whether a student is from open board or improvement, they'll say, okay, I will take you. Then it will be a yes. But as of now, all the shipping companies that come to Tolani, they say we will not prefer NIOS open board students. So that is why it is a no over here. Copied. Tolani, BSc Nautical Science or BTech Marine Engineering. You can go ahead. All you have to do is you have to clear their what exam? TMI SAT exam. And of course, good rank, interview cleared. जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. With this, all I can say is my job is done, your job is started. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di. So there has been time where students keep asking me, sir, should I join this college? How much is the placement criteria? How is the placement criteria? How much is the waiting period? And these things keep changing. So I thought what to do, and that is where the idea of starting something like Google reviews on our own website, Merchant Navy Decoded, came into my mind, and that is how on my website called merchantnavydecoded.com I started a thing called college portal. So like when you have to book a hotel, you go for Google reviews. Now if you want to go for college, you can see what are the reviews, how is the standard. So let us see how you can do. So you click on the college portal. Now suppose you are a GME aspirant, so you will click over here. You are a E2 aspirant, you will click over here. You are a IME CT or DNS aspirant, you will click over here. You are a GP rating aspirant, it will come over here. You are an aspirant for BTech Marine Engineering, then also there will be an option over here. And for any other course that comes with the time, it will be there. So right now, say you come to this course and you are interested in, say, IME CT and DNS, and you want to know about Anglo, right? So what you do is you click over on IME CT and DNS Anglo, and then suddenly you will see the highly recommended colleges from Merchant Navy decoded over here for DNS. So for highly recommended, you will see Anglo maybe over here, or it will be in the other college section. It depends whether AMA is good or not, but we'll recommend AMA for sure as of now. Then you will click over here on AMA. So when you will click, you will see overview section. Then you can click, you can see all about overview. Then you can see the eligibility criteria, then the fee structure, registration process, syllabus kaisa hai, how is the placement record over here. Copied in AMA, everything you'll come to know. Copied. Then this is the, say you click on the placement scenario, you get to see the placement scenario of AMA over here. But the most important thing is how students perceive this college, those who have studied over here. So now you can come over and see the rating. How good is Anglo-Asian in case of placement? How good is AMA in case of waiting period? How good is training and well-being of AMA over here? When you watch these ratings over here, that is where you learn, that is where you understand what are the right questions you need to ask, and should you get into AMA or you should avoid getting into AMA. So this is one thing. Apart from that, it is a request. If you know someone who has passed out from AMA for a particular course, tell them, bhai, whatever your review is, just go and share on this college portal. And yes, don't be scared. If you have something bad to share about any college, any course, just do that and post that review anonymously over here. Just posting it as no. Don't show my name. Post reviews anonymously, yes. And your name will not come over. And that is how this college portal is not going to just help you, but every other person who is joining Merchant Navy. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.